Welcome to our channel. If you want to lower high blood pressure naturally and protect your cardiovascular health, follow these step-by-step strategies. Step 1. Adopt the DASH diet by eating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy while reducing sodium intake. Step 2. Limit your sodium consumption to less than 2,300 milligrams per day by reading food labels and avoiding processed foods. Step 3. Exercise regularly with at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling most days of the week. Step 4. Maintain a healthy weight by creating a sustainable calorie deficit if you're overweight, as losing even small amounts can lower blood pressure. Step 5. Limit alcohol consumption to no more than 1 drink per day for women or 2 for men. Step 6. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or Tai Chi daily. Step 7. Quit smoking if you smoke, as tobacco use raises blood pressure and damages blood vessels over time. Step 8. Monitor your blood pressure at home regularly and work with your healthcare provider to track progress and adjust treatment as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.